student killed in Canada. Indian Embassy in Toronto issues statement saddened by tragic death of student fatally struck by stray bullet, and a homicide investigation underway. So that's the breaking news that's coming in. A 21-year-old Indian student was killed in a tragic accident after being hit by a stray bullet in a shooting incident in Hamilton in Ontario. The victim, Harsimrat Randhawa, was a student at Mohawk College and came from India. Now, the Indian Embassy in Ontario has said that, and I quote, "We are deeply saddened by the tragic death of Indian student Harsimrat Randhawa in Hamilton, Ontario. As per local police, she was an innocent victim fatally struck by a stray bullet during a shooting incident involving two vehicles." My colleague Rishabh continues to stay with us with more details on this. Rishabh, shocking case coming to the fore from Ontario where an Indian student was fatally struck by a stray bullet. What do the investigation reveal?
Well, what we're given to understand that Harsimrat Randhawa was in Toronto, and during while she was moving on the street, there was cross-firing between two vehicles, as per the homicide department of the Toronto Police, of the British Columbian Police, for that matter. It is said that it was a stray bullet. Harsimrat Randhawa was not involved in any incident of firing. She was just a passerby, and a stray bullet hit her. A very tragic death that has taken place. But this brings the spotlight back on the issue of lawlessness in Canada. We have seen that how gang wars on the street of Toronto, or for that matter Vancouver, has become the order of the day. The Canadian government has time and again failed to address these issues, and the way Indians have been victimized in various areas of Canada is something that is right now a major concern. The High Commission in Ottawa, or the consulate in different parts of Canada, has been raking this up with the authorities in Canada. But again, incidents like these are continuing to happen. A very, very tragic death of a very young and promising student from India being reported from Canada. Government of India is in touch with the Canadian authorities.
Right, Rishabh, thank you for getting us those details. And with that, we're now slipping into a very short break.